Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to show you how to check the ink levels on your HP Tango. The Tango is a very streamlined printer with a simplified design, and unfortunately, there's no display screen to check the cartridge levels. However, you can check your ink in two other ways. The first option is downloading the HP Smart app for your Windows or Mac computer. If the app is already downloaded on the computer you are using, all you need to do is open it up on the computer to check the ink levels. If it's not on your computer, you can download the app from the Microsoft or Apple App Store. Another way you can check your ink levels on the Tango is by downloading the HP Smart app onto your smartphone. This app works with iPhone and Android. Once you have it downloaded, just hit Start on the welcome screen. It will take a moment to search for your printer. If the printer doesn't show up right away, you can manually add the printer to the app by selecting the plus sign in the center of the screen. Select Connect to a previously used printer if the printer already exists on your network, or select Set up a new printer if you're setting the Tango up for the first time. Since our printer is already set up, we'll select Connect to a previously used printer, confirm the printer model, and we're all set. The printer is added to the phone, and now you can check ink levels whenever you want directly from the smartphone. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.